Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. Winter gardening in Zone 10. I live in the no-frost Zone 10. Here's how I garden in winter. Pansies bloom in winter and early spring. I plant seeds of the panola variety, which has small, thick petals so they won't fold over in this our rainy season. For the first time this year, I just planted seedlings grown from seed of 4 premier varieties of sweet pea: Enchante, Emily, Glen Collins, and Arahan. Sweet peas grow best in cool weather. Both of those 4 varieties should be especially beautiful and wonderfully fragrant as cut flowers. My orange tree is at its best now, perfect because little else is. If you have an orange tree or a lemon, savor it. If not, if you're in Zone 9 or higher, you might get one. For example, a Washington Navel orange, the best-selling orange, garden and backyard orange in America. To avoid light leaves, feed regularly. I enjoy seeing my camellias set buds. I especially look forward to seeing any variety bloom for the first time. This year it'll be black tie. We'll see if the reality matches the catalog description and photo. I indulge my stress-reducing perfectionism by pulling every weed that would rob energy from desired plants, for example, my newly planted Ponca blackberry, compact, thornless, and sweet, but not that vigorous. Weeding now avoids an overwhelming number of weeds in spring. Also, the weeds now are small, so with a garden weasel trowel, in one scoop I can excise dozens of would-be annoyances. I sweep up the fallen leaves and use the small thin ones like bougainvillea and Japanese maple as mulch for plants that like it moist like roses and annuals. I dig larger leaves into soil into which I'll be planting tomatoes and annuals in spring. By then, the leaves will have at least started to compost. I dig up plants, mainly roses, that haven't lived up to the catalog hype. Speaking of which, I peruse gardening catalogs before bed. It's a sleeping pill without side effects. I fold over pages that have an intriguing variety, cultivar. If I'm still enamored in the morning, I order more seeds, if I'm ordering seeds rather than plants, than I need, because I give or mail extras to gardening friends and clients, and I put seedlings on my curb with a laminated sign describing the cultivar and basic instructions for care. Anyway, that's what I do. How about you? Feel free to enter that in the comments. So thanks for watching this winter gardening in Zone 10. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel, and certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 36 books. Perhaps most relevant is How to Do Life, but all 36 are on Amazon. In any event, I thank you for watching. I'm Marty Nemko.